Hi, I'm Rob King. This is the Homebrew Masterplan Outtakes edition. If you haven't checked it out already, the link above will take you to the Star Wars Day inspired recipe for Planet Pale Ale. This recipe was a quick one, only a month from start to finish, but nonetheless there was plenty of opportunities for outtakes. This time there are plenty of examples of how my mouth operates faster than my brain, and my ability to hold a camera without bumping into doors or filming my thumb, hand or other objects other than the target. I think it's safe to say the Planet Pale Ale worked out wonderfully, despite me rather than because of me, but still it was all good fun, so enjoy these outtakes. Please feel free to share your comments and like and subscribe. Cheers everyone, happy homebrewing! Now the recipe is based on the Electric Brewing Company, so it's a late edition American. Now the recipe is based on the Electric Brewing Company, so the recipe is based on the Electric Brewing Company. Now this is a recipe based on the Electric Brewing Company.
Top up is 1.4 meters.
Rock and roll.
Old water heater. This is a Tiern, actually sold as a mouldy. May the 4th be with you. This is on target, ready for drinking. May the 4th. Some carbonation. Back from holidays. Yippee. Back from holiday and a cold beer is waiting. Cheers. This is very nice cold.
Well, thank you very much, everybody. Thank you very. You can see the bubbles there. Very fitting of a late edition pale ale. Carbonation maybe a bit much. Oh, gosh. This has definitely been one that has. This has definitely been a brew. This has been a brew. Yes, this is not going to last very long. Thank you very much everybody for watching this retrospective, and do tune in to the Grain to Glass episode where you get the full... What a great result! The Muntons Pale Planet Malt is one of the most popular spring varieties, so perfect for our Star Wars Day themed Planet Pale Ale. Coming up next, just in time for the Euros in Germany, we're going to go for a Munich Dunkel. This is the first time that I've ever tried a dark lager. Check it out next time.